thank you for joining me. I'm a bit excited today. I've got my first party bag in 60 years. I went to meet up with nail addicts. And I went to Tracy's house and look what I got. Look at this. There were all these stood on the side for us. I went to Tracy's, that's Design Nails 57, Tracy's beautiful house and garden. We sat in the garden and I met with Joe from Imaginales and Lou from Vitilugo. And Tracy, bless her, had got all these little goodie bags on the side. I can't tell you how emotional it made me. I ended up tearing up about 3 times while we were there because it's just so thoughtful. It's just, well, what can I say? And she's going, it's only a few bits and bobs. I went, it's not, it's a party bag. It's just, I don't know. I ended up saying to him at one bit, I'm really sorry for getting emotional. I obviously don't get out much. But she's not only given me the party bag, we all got a party bag, but she's given me a bag full of stuff, goodies. She said she would let me have her doubles of things. One is Xeijayi that I've not tried before, and the other was Naio, which she knows I love. So, shall we delve into my party bag? I had a little sneak peek and I spotted one thing which really took me back to being little as well. So, yeah, 65 years young I am now. So, yeah, I've not had a party bag since I was about 5. So, let's have a look. So, I sprayed this. This is really nice. We were all sat there sweating cobs. Sat in a beautiful summer house and, yeah, body spray in here. I think we've all got the same sort of things in. So, a hint of musk for a body spray. Dove Restoring Hand Cream, which you can never do without, can you? You never do without hand cream. Oh, it's nice. Coconut. Lovely. Do you know, I've been watching Tracy. She did a video on dragon nails. And when she was doing it, well, I'll not tell you all about it, but she used the bubble technique. And while I was sat watching it last night, I looked down at my hand and I was looking at it, at my arm, and I thought, oh my God, I look like a dragon. It looked all sort of bubbly and it must have been squished up like that. I thought, oh, heck, I look like a dragon. Yeah, so moisturiser, very necessary. I've never had this. Ultimate Red Tinted Bar. Oh, for lips and cheeks. Ooh, that's going to be handy. Because I don't really wear makeup, but something that gives me a bit of colour in my face in winter would be quite nice. Hydrating Vitamin E face mask. Oh, pamper myself later. Oh, deep moisturising foot pack. Handy. Oh, she's put me this in because I was admiring this on her haul video. Oh, that's heavy. Gosh, that's quality. It's for polygel tubes. So, yeah. What a brilliant idea. And the reason I loved it is because it stands up as well. So I can just stand it on my desk. Fabulous. Oh, we're down to sweeties. Sweeties and things. She's put us some of this in. This is really pretty. I've not had any of this. Not bought any of this at all. This is the like oh my word, that's long. Rhinestones on the string. Look at them. Oh, they're gorgeous. Beautiful down your nail. And then the others are blue and green. Oh, they're pretty. Really nice. Oh, that's going to catch the light. Yeah, little doll. Thank you so much, Tracy. I can't tell you what it means to me having these friends on YouTube, and we're such a fantastic group. We chat away, you know, as if we've known each other for years. And to be honest, I actually come back thinking, why have I told them all that shit? Did they really want to know all that? Deepen. Look at that. Oh, bless. This is what took me back. Parma violets. And I'm going to, if you don't mind, Tracy, give my brother a couple of these because he was a Parma violets addict at one bit. He always had them in his pocket. So, I'm going to give him a couple of those and scoff the rest myself. And these little things, look. Love hearts. Oh, I love them. I'll not pop one in now, otherwise I'll be slurping. But look, little, take you back sweets. And all these goodies. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. Can't tell you how lovely you are, Tracy. Oh, and this one. This is one because I don't know if you saw a video where they all came to my house. And I made a mistake. They were laughing, saying she pinched it. She didn't. I said I made a mistake and I'd put two of the same colour. And they all got to pick what they wanted when they came over. But for some reason, she must have liked it because she got two at the same colour. So she's sent me that back. So I did check and I ain't got one. So I'd obviously put mine in with what I'd put in for everybody to pick from. So look at that. That is absolutely fab. I'll leave the nail stuff out. And I'll go and scoff the other stuff later. Thank you, darling. I said to her, I think I've actually ordered one of these now. So she says, oh, you can still take it in more than one polygel tube, which I have. So I think all these have had swatches done. So there's a right bag full because I said I'd never tried it. So anyway, when she gave me these, I said, look, I've given in now. I don't know if you still want to give me these because I have given in now and ordered some. She says, what colours you ordered? I says, well, pink, really. Pink and black and white, I think. So, yeah. So I've got MO86. That's not got a swatch on. MO88. That's not got a swatch on. I wonder if they come off so you can swatch underneath there. Wonder if they do. Maybe not. Would be good if they did, wouldn't it? Does anybody know if that actually... No, I might be breaking it if I open it. Would be nice. I think I might put some little swatches on the... Oh no, I'll stick to me things that go around them like this. So get all the JJs out. So that's swatched. That's swatched. Oh, that's beautiful. That's nice turquoise. Oh, lilac. Oh, very nice. The brighter purple. They look nice together. In fact, they look nice with jade, don't they? Or turquoise, whichever colour you call it. And M123, I don't know what that is. And another one, and things fell off. So, does that go in a particular way? No, it's all the same. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a set in itself, isn't it, that? Oh, thanks, Sweet Pea. They're lovely. Oh, so again, I'll put a bit of glue on bottom there, I think. Yeah. I'll leave that on its side so I know it's that one. And then these, oh, I'll swatch these. I know it's on the tops, but in fact, yeah. I don't bother putting them around then. What I'll do is, what am I doing? What I'll do is show you these. So this is Periwinkle Pastels. I love Naio. Oh, that's bright, beautiful. So that's the turquoise. Oh, need my thingy bob. She didn't want that to come off, did she? What's that? Gorgeous. Really creamy. Lovely. And gold. What's this one? Champagne bubbles. I ain't got any of these. In fact, I've only got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I've only got 16 Naios. I've not got many. Look at that. Oh. Wow. beautiful. Thank you very much, darling. Right, let's have a look at these. What is this? Is this a... The only thing is, I don't speak Chinese. Can't get that off now. Let's see it over me now. Is it a cat eye? Oh, it is. Oh, I see. So it's a cat eye that looked nice over colour. Oh, I see it now. Lovely. Cat eye one. And these are... I'll get some tips. Hold on. I need 3. 2. 3. So when's the last time you had a party bag? 87? I suppose it weren't very long ago. But, yeah. All these little things that just make life so special, don't they? Ooh. That is beautiful. Oh, I love it. I'd said to her, everybody's been buying these, and I didn't want to get on bandwagon. I wanted to be doing different stuff, you know what I mean? But when Nat sent me the Moda polishes and I tried them, and apparently they're the same, let me show you, the same maker. They were really nice. Lovely bottles, really nice consistency. She sent me 3 of those, Nat. So I thought, well, I will try them. So Tracy said, well, I've got some that I've doubled up, you know, when you buy sets of 6 and 10 and whatever. So she let me have them, but that's gorgeous, isn't it? Look at that, that's just me. Oh, beautiful. I'm guessing it's a 60-second cure, that's what I'm going for. M123. Is this a cat eye then? Because it's not got... No, it's not. Colour. Nice. I do like a gel polish. I'm going to try and pull this thin. Let's take some off. I hate when you put your gel polishes on and your nails end up really bulky. So this one, oh, I'm a bit shaky, sorry, it's going all over. I'm going to pull it as thin as I can without making lines in it. That's it. Let it settle a minute. And then I could do one coat. They're not going to be thick and bulky at all. Love that. 60 on that one. Thank you, dear. And MO88. Yes, it was a lovely day. We've talked about all sorts of things. It's been smashing. Met her husband. He's lovely. And, sorry, stop talking then for a minute. Yeah, he's lovely. So we had a little chat with him. Very sociable. But, yeah, I ended up... You know, when you're talking about things, I think we started talking about pets. So that was one that got us. Because Tracy, bless her, when she lost her dog, oh... I know some people say, well, they're just pets, but they're not. They're family. And then it took me back to losing my cat, which was 30 years ago, and I got emotional about it. I said, oh, I'm really sorry. I don't know what's come over me today. Oh, right, look at this lot. Thank you so much, Tracy. I'm not going to do a design or anything today. I'm keen to get my shelves sorted out so I can get all these up. Get these swatches on these. What I'm going to do with that? Oh yeah, stick that bottom on. Put that away. I'll try that on one of my polygels. Tell you what I've had to use before this. I've had to use this big paper clip, so I like roll it up best I could. Whoop. and then paper clipped it so it held it in place. I just had to turn you off for a second because Phil had gone out, and I said to him, get me some gloves, because I don't know if you realise, you know when you're buying these gloves and you're getting them from, I get large because I wear white gloves underneath as well. And I've got like shovels for hands. Yeah, I turned it off because I knew he'd be shouting up, hello, are you coming for dinner, that kind of thing. Yeah, so I've asked him to get these from the car spares place, because when you buy them online, or you buy them where it says nails or whatever, I've been paying like £10, £12 for decent gloves, because these are quite strong and durable, really. I don't know what the, I don't know if there's like a rating or something. Anyway, because they don't need to be sterile, because I can use sanitizer on my hands anyway. But these were £5. £5, because they're from car spares. You get them from a nail place, you'd be paying a lot more. But yeah, they're quite good. Quite good and strong. So check out your car spares place. I know they're only black, but you know, what the hell. It's only to protect my hands. So, back to this. I'm going to show you this. So I'll take that out of there. I think that's how it works. Take my lid off this. And put that in. I'm doing that right way. Yes, I'm doing that right. So I want that in the middle. And then twist. Yeah. Oh, I'll put it in there first, do I? Is that what to do? No. Oh, yeah. No. How does that work? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think. Now twist. Oh, that's it. Oh, my word. Oh, it's coming out already. I thought it would be half empty, this. No, let's get a more empty one. Go back in. Go on. Go back in. Oh, no. What's that done now? That's just going to make a mess if I try to put that back in. Right, let's try and get one that's I've used a lot of. Took some finding, didn't it? Right, I'm going to use my thingy one. So I don't even need to take that out, do I? I can just put that in there like that. I'm guessing I take that top off, else it's going to be just full of air. And then start turning. That's it. Stop. That's it, and I can just leave it on my desk then. And when I want some more, yeah. I see. Oh, it's got a spring inside that holds it up there as well. So that's going to be neat. Oh, anyway, that's enough faffing for today. Thank you so much, Tracy. Thank you, Lou and Joe, for meeting us there as well. It was a wonderful day. In fact, we didn't want to go home. It was, I think I stood up twice, and then we'd get chatting again. And then I'm like, I've really got to go, because Phil usually has his tea about 5 or half past. I was getting hungry. I thought he's going to be starving. Yeah, we still didn't leave till after 5. So, sorry, Phil, you didn't get your tea till after 6. So, thank you so much for your hospitality. Thank you very much for your gifts. And my little party bag. Oh, made my day. Well, yeah, maybe. Love you. Love you loads. Take care, everybody, for watching. Thank you for watching. Oh, I'm all tongue-tied now. Thank you for watching, everybody. Love you. Take care. Bye.